Hi student, today we are going to learn our first lesson, gravitation sums. So for the solving the sums there are some formulas. First we see here. First formula is acceleration due to gravity formula, that is G is equal to Gm upon R square. Second formula is weight W is equal to F into mg. Third one is V is equal to U plus AT. V is velocity here. Fourth one is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Fifth one V is equal to GT. Sixth one S is equal to half GT square. And the seventh one is V square is equal to 2GS. So these are the formulas now we are going to use for solving the sums. So in textbook page number 15, question number 5 is there for solving the sums. So first I read the question. See first, an object takes 5 seconds to reach the ground. 5 seconds means the t is given here 5 seconds from a height of 5 meter. Height means h or a s. S is also displacement, it is also a height, is equal to 5 meter. And here we have to find out what is the value of G on the planet. So here we find that G, small g. So for solving this particular sum we used here sixth one formula, S is equal to half GT square. See here S is equal to half GT square, S is 5, T is 5 again. So 5 square 25. This 2 is divided here. So here it gets multiplied. 5 2s are 10. Then 25 gets divided here. Then 10 divided by 25 we get the answer 0.4 meter per second square is equal to G. So this is a value of G here. So this is the first sum. Then next one is, I read the question first from the textbook. The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. Radius of planet A is RA, then radius of planet B is RB. Next, if the mass of A is MA, mass of A object is MA, then the mass of B is MB. So what is given here in that particular sum? The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. See here, radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B, that is given. Then here we have to find out MB, that is mass of object B, planet B. Then next one is what must be the mass of B. So here we find out MB, mass of B, so that the value of G on B is half that of its value on A. What is the meaning of that? Value of G on B is half the value of G on A. This is also given. So these two things are given already in that sum, and here we find out MB, that is a mass of B. So first, for solving this sum we use the formula of G, acceleration due to gravity, normal formula, that is Gm upon R square. But there is two planets, that is A and B. So for A planet the G is Ga, that is Gma is Ra square, and for Gb this formula is replaced by Gmb upon Rb square. Then next, see here in that formula, given formula, Gb is equal to half Ga. The values are put down here. See Gb, what is the value of Gb here? Gmb upon Rb square. So here we write down Gmb upon Rb square is equal to half Ga. So what is the value of Ga? Gma upon Ra square. See here, in that formula we put the value of Ga and Gb. Then Gg get cancelled. Then Mb, this Ma is multiplied here, so here it gets divided. Then half you have to write down as it is. then RB is divide here it gets divide again, so RB square upon RA square. So MB upon MA is equal to half into, what is the value of RB here? See, value of RB you have to write down as it is. What is the value of RA here? See, RA half RB. So this half RB you have to put here. Half RB square, that is half square RB square. Half square is 1 upon 4. Again RB get cancelled. This 1 upon 4 is at denominator side. That's why it gets inverse. That is 1 upon 4. So here it gets multiplied. That is 1 upon 2 into 4. So 2 divided by 4 is 2. MB upon MA is equal to 2. That's why again you get cross multiply, then MB is equal to 2MA. So the value of MB is what? 2MA. Here you find out MB, and the value of MB is got here 2MA. So this is the whole second sum. Then next one is third one, C. I read from the textbook. What is the question? The mass and weight of an object on earth are 5 kg. See, mass on earth is 5 kg, weight on earth is 49 Newton. See, the mass and weight of an object on earth are 5 kg and 49 Newton respectively. What will be their values on moon? See, here you have to find out mm, that is mass on moon, and Wn, weight on moon. And assume that the acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity means what? G. On moon is 1/6 of that of the earth. So this is given here. This is assumed here. Gm, that is acceleration due to gravity on moon, is 1/6 of the acceleration due to gravity on earth. So here you have to find out mm and Wm. Mm is the same as a 5 kg because mass on earth is 5 kg, mass on moon is also 5 kg because mass not changes from place to place. Then next, in this formula we have to put the value of GE here. See, what is the value of GE? Acceleration due to gravity on earth is, it is decided already, it is a constant, that is 9.8. So instead of G you have to write down here 9.8 divided by 6 is, then you get the answer 1.633 meter per second square. Then here we find out Wm, that is weight on moon. So again here we have to use the formula W, that is W is equal to mg. See here, W is equal to mg, that is weight on moon, that's why mm, mass on moon, and acceleration gravity on moon. So mass on moon is 5 kg. See here, mass on moon is 5 kg. Then Gm, here is the value of Gm 1.633. So put here 1.633, then gets multiplied, then you get the answer 8.17 Newton. So this is your Wm, that is mass on moon is 5 kg and weight on moon is 8.17 Newton. Thank you.